So guys, all of a sudden everybody is talking about SoSoValue airdrop. Everyone out there on Web3 are talking about SoSoValue airdrop, and you are wondering why are they talking about it. After all, SoSoValue have been around for a couple of years, months probably, but now they have started talking about it. I mean, literally everyone on Web3, every content creator, every influencer is talking about SoSoValue airdrop currently, and you are just staying there watching and you don't know what is going on. You don't know why they are talking about it. After all, it has been around for a long time, but recently the hype just went on increase, and of course everyone out there is just talking about SoSoValue airdrop. So right now, watch the video to the end, because I'm going to be telling you the reason why they are actually talking about SoSoValue airdrop currently, and also I'm going to be showing you what you need to do. That is exactly what you need to do in order for you to qualify for the SoSoValue airdrop, guaranteed. If you are going to be able to do what I'm going to be showing you right here on this particular video, I put it to you, under most, you are going to be guaranteed to get the SoSoValue airdrop if, mark that word, if you can be able to do what I'm about to show you right now. So before we start the video properly, if you are just coming across my channel for the first time, I'm Crypto Mechanic, and on this channel I talk about crypto, airdrop, and a lot of opportunities to make money in the crypto space. Watch out on this video. Let's talk about SoSoValue airdrop and how you can be able to position. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video you're watching right now, and make sure to share it so that people out there can also benefit. Okay, so now talking about SoSoValue airdrop, you can see right here I have been able to generate about 8,905,525 EXP. Now, what are EXP? I will explain this first. EXP is like a point used to measure the amount of airdrop you are going to get, but that is not actually all. There is more to this. Okay, so for you out there who are probably hearing about SoSoValue airdrop for the first time, it is no different from many other airdrop, but the only difference is that this has actually outperformed a lot of other airdrop out there, and of course they are trusted, and they are going to be giving a guaranteed airdrop for anyone who is going to be able to do what I'm about to share right now on this video. Okay, so without wasting time, let's go straight to the point. Okay, so looking over here, I've got about 8 million points. That's not much compared to what I've seen people have, but I believe people who just started are definitely not going to be having this much for sure. But even if you do not have this much, watch closely on this video as I'm about to expose to you what you need to meet up with before you can be able to get your guaranteed airdrop. Okay, so now the first thing you need to do in order for you to be guaranteed of this airdrop is make sure that you achieve V2, that is like level 2, something like that. So you can see currently I'm on level 4. I can call it level. I'm on level 4, and if you look closely, before I can be able to get to the next level, I need to get more another 1,990,000 ESP for me to get to level 5. So if you check out the level that you are on, then you check over here to see the amount of ESP that you need to get before you can be able to be taken to level to the next level. So I'm on level 4, but you who have probably not reached to this level, make sure you get to at least level 2 for you to get this SoSoValue airdrop. You can do that very easily, and to be able to do that, for you who's probably going to be starting today, it's kind of late, but you can still give it a try, because you can achieve it provided you do what I'm about to show you right now on this video. The easiest way to achieve level 2 is to go ahead and complete what we call the starter pack. Okay, so for you starting right now, this is the code that you need to use before you register. Okay, use this particular code 526B8 07P. Use this particular code to get started at your own end. Okay, so right now, if you come over here, you can see we have the daily tasks and we have the starter pack right now. When you click on the starter pack, you can see over here that I've completed all the tasks. That's why you're not seeing it. But when I click over here on completed, you can see that I've completed every single task right here. All right, so before you can be able to complete all this, before you complete all of them, definitely you are going to be achieving the level 2 once you are able to complete all the starter pack right here. If you complete all the tasks, then you are going to be making it to level 2. Now, this is the first one. The next thing you need to do is to get your wallet connected. That is the most important, to make sure your wallet is connected. Now, to be able to connect your wallet, you need to locate your own profile. Okay, in this case, you can see my profile up here. You can see it up here. You click on it. Once you click on it, you can see we have profile, we have account setting. Okay, right now, go ahead, click on profile first. Okay, and once you click on profile, you can see this is going to be showing you all your activities so far. I've only made one post right here. I'm not really interested on the post, but when you click on your profile again, when you click on your profile again, then you go to account setting. You can see account setting right now. Click on account setting. So this is where the whole thing works. This is where you need to do the most important thing. Okay, so right now, once you get over here, you need to scroll up. So when you scroll up, you can see there are a lot of things that you need to connect right here. You can see over here, you can connect your email, connect your phone number, but this I think this is not available to Nigerians. I think that's why I've not connected mine. Connect your Google account, connect Telegram, connect Twitter. Most importantly, go ahead and connect your wallet. All right, that is the most important. Make sure your wallet has been linked already. If you haven't linked your wallet, or if you haven't connected it, you are not going to be getting any airdrop. That's just it. So make sure that you have connected your wallet. All right, so now what is the last thing that you need to do in order for you to stay eligible for the SoSoValue airdrop? Personally, I wasn't eligible for the SoSoValue airdrop on, that is the season 1. I wasn't eligible, but on this season 2, it is more rewarding, and I believe I'm going to be eligible for the season 2. And right now, to continue with the things you need to do before you can be able to get guaranteed airdrop from SoSoValue is to make sure you are completing daily tasks. In this case, I've not been active lately, but I'm going to be trying my best to be completing all the daily tasks. Okay, and also next thing you need to do, that is the fourth thing you need to make sure you have done, though this is not a must. They never say that it is a must, but it is still recommended that you do it. Let me show you something right here real quick. Let me see if I can be able to find it. Okay, right now you can see this was the post that they made on X. They say something like seeing many questions about SSI purchase for the Quest. Now you can see they put something right here, this eye icon right here. I don't know what they actually mean, but I think they are trying to get to read our mind, or they are trying to draw our mind to something like maybe the airdrop, something like that. And right now they said if you buy SSI from the official website, your quest is guaranteed to be recognized. Now what I actually got from this is that your effort probably towards the airdrop that they are going to be distributing, that is the season 2 airdrop, is going to be guaranteed, that is recognized. Okay, now they said again, in some cases there may be a short delay in status update. Please be patient while the system syncs. No action needed on your end. So right now, to be able to purchase the SSI, let me show you what you need to do. So when you scroll down right here, you can see we have the SSI campaign right now, and they are actually sharing 15 million SoSoValue token. That's about $1 million on the SSI campaign. So you simply need to purchase it, but I'm going to be making a separate video for the SSI campaign. That is how to purchase it. I'm going to be making a whole separate video for that. So if you can be able to purchase this, then your airdrop is guaranteed. Okay, you're not guaranteed if you don't complete every other thing, but all these things collectively, if you can be able to achieve all of them, then you are going to be guaranteed to get SoSoValue airdrop. All right, so it's as simple as that. Also, we have the affiliate campaign right now. Let's check out the affiliate campaign before I round off the video. So over here on the affiliate campaign, this is my own personal dashboard. You can see I've actually invited a couple of people right here, and of course you can see currently I'm the 15,284 on the leaderboard. And of course this is also a very nice thing. Make sure you join the SSI campaign. When you click over here on N, then you copy your referral link or you copy your referral code. Whoever joins with it actually earns you points. All right, so this is put together is going to be qualifying you to get the SoSoValue airdrop. So this is all for this video. I believe you find it informative. Please let me know your thoughts right there in the comment section. If you have any question, let me have it right there in the comment section, and I'll be talking to you guys on the next video that I'm going to be dropping, explaining how you can be able to go around this SSI campaign on the SoSoValue. All right, so thank you for watching, and I'll be talking to you on the next video.